Finding the courage to change. The insanity of dysfunction. One of the most curious things about my dysfunction is that I managed to hold on to two opposing worldviews. On one hand, I was a complete victim. I felt like I must have a V on my forehead that other people could easily see. I was always being done wrong by. Couldn't they see how they were hurting me? On the other hand, I felt totally responsible for how other people treated me. It was all my fault. If I were a better person, if I could just figure out what they wanted and deliver that, then I would be more lovable, more worthy of being loved. Totally a victim or totally responsible? I was trapped in a logic loop. If I escaped one idea, then I would immediately get trapped in the other idea. In reality, I had no sense of where my responsibilities started or ended. In every relationship, I was as enmeshed and dependent as a 1-year-old. It's taken decades to understand my patterns. I'm using helplessness and have a narcissistic exaggeration of my responsibilities. As I have slowly let go of my victim mentality, I was also better able to see where my true responsibilities lie. My responsibility stops with me. I create my own reality. I have total control over my thoughts, attitudes, feelings, and beliefs. Over me, I have total cosmic power. Over others, I'm powerless. It's simple. Now I have the key to solving my dysfunctional patterns.